Hey everybody, hope you're doing well. In today's video, I'm going to showcase a new feature that's released by OpenAI. It's called ChatGPT and it's Sites feature. Recently, Codex was rebranded into ChatGPT, although it still says Codex. The app is actually ChatGPT, as you can see from down here. And then inside there is ChatGPT Work and Codex. And the only difference I can really spot right now is kind of conditional visibility on some developer features like pull request. But overall, I find this app to be exactly the same. So anyway, focusing on the new feature called Sites. Codex has always been able to build websites. And the next step and the next reasonable step, instead of having the user to deploy their own app via Cloudflare or Vercel, ChatGPT is now able to host it for you on your behalf and even connect custom domain to it. So that's the beauty of it. And you can turn any idea into a website. So whether that's from marketing website or kind of you want to run your e-commerce, even a web app, that's actually possible as well. So I want to quickly show you how sites work on Codex. So here, it's very simple. You go to the left-hand panel and click Sites and press Create New Sites. And now it'll ask you, hey, what do you want to build? It give you kind of, it will ask you what you want to build. You can select the model here. So 5.6, Sol, Terra, Luna is the new model. And I will be using extra high. I won't be using ultra, but extra high is good enough for now for me. So what we can do is pass a lot of information, right? You can pass context about what you want to build. You can choose projects that you want to do. What I want to do here is build a marketing website of a live app that is launched for a client of mine. It's called Homebase. So what I can do here is drag and drop the actual code base into ChatGPT. And now I can prompt it to create me a website. Here I've created a general prompt, not very detailed because I want to see how Sol does it in understanding and figuring it all out. What I'm going to do here is create a marketing website for iOS and Android app. The end goal is to get the user to download the app. Showcase features and invoke emotional aspects since this is a relationship household focused app. Look at the code base to understand all the features, use the color from the app, and I've given it the iOS link and the Android link and the actual code base as well. So overall, this app is called Homebase and it's basically an app that allows couples to manage the household through gamification and also provide ideas to lift their personal connection through dates. I would recommend you check it out if you haven't. Going back to ChatGPT Sites, this is the prompt and I'm just going to let it go and see what it can build. ChatGPT has finished building the website and we can see what it did. It worked for 17 minutes and 8 seconds on Sol Extra High and it actually spawned 3 different sub-agents to build it. So design a warm tutorial, design a playful balance, and design an intimate cinematic experience. And then it looked at some images that was on the iOS link and then basically build the site itself. In the end, it published a private website for us to view. So we can actually see it here. If we open it in Chrome, you can see the link is Homebase app. It's evenly.chatgpt.site. And this is basically hosted by ChatGPT. And the website looks decent. The logo can be probably improved here. It's not the right logo. And you can see here, it took the image from the App Store. And then it did kind of took the color of the app in light mode. And it says the home you share, shared fairly. Homebase turns invisible household mental load into one calm shared system. So there's less keeping score in your head and more time for each other. And these are the URLs to download. And then kind of it gave an example here of the values, what it can do. And then it kind of try to invoke emotional aspects of it by having these headlines. You shouldn't have to manage the managing. Remember the laundry, blah, blah, blah. And then all these admin stuff. Clarity for the house, space for the relationship. And then it's like, see the load, not the tension. So overall, it does it quite well. In terms of a first build, I guess we can pass in better images instead of getting it to, or we didn't pass any images, but it took images from kind of the iOS store, which can be improved by passing in actual images from the app. And then it says, lastly, make room for each other. And then this is the emotion. This is the dating feature of it. And then we have a kind of early testimonial and then just more information, FAQs, and then finally another call to action to download it on the App Store or the Play Store. So overall, it does a really good initial build of the website. On Sol Extra High, of course, it can be improved by further prompting it, but it's a really good initial build for the first time. And it is published already on this kind of ChatGPT site. And of course, you can edit this next and then press setting and then you can actually share this, right? You can add a custom domain when you're happy with it. You can delete it, whatever, you can share it. And the share setting, you can actually change this to anyone on the internet. This means it's being hosted by ChatGPT. And this is how quick you can build a website now. So you don't need to manually configure hosting to Vercel or Cloud, whoever you want to host your website for. And of course, ChatGPT has high-level analytics as well, if you're interested in what happened in the last 30 days. So you can see traffic numbers, so you have an understanding of how your website is performing. Of course, it's not like very detailed that you might want, but it's a good start. So overall, like it does a really good job for a first build. And of course, you can iterate on it by giving it more animations, by giving it more assets so it looks more professional. We can actually ask for the code where is it stored locally. And I just asked for it just to see what's in it. And you can see here, this is what they've done. They're using Byte and they're just building the website. So you can actually take this code and instead of using ChatGPT, you might want to feed it into another AI like Claude Code to further revamp it. So you actually own the code here, and ChatGPT Codex site is just simply hosting it for you. I hope you enjoyed this quick tutorial on how you can use the new codex called ChatGPT in building a quick website. Remember to comment and like, subscribe for more videos on using AI to build. See you next time. Bye.